Hello everyone, welcome back.
Hi, so happy you are here today.
How are you today, Alice?
I am good, a little tired.
Oh, why tired?
I watched a show last night.
Haha, just one more episode?
Yes, 5 more episodes. Oops.
I know that feeling.
What about you, David?
I woke up late this morning.
Again?
Again. Sorry.
But you are here now.
Yes, ready, let's go.
Today we have a great topic.
Very useful for daily life.
We are going to a restaurant.
And we will order food in English.
Yes, how to order food in English.
Everyone needs this.
Because everyone gets hungry, haha.
Haha, very true.
And don't worry,
Yes, don't worry at all.
we speak slowly and clearly,
Every word is easy to follow.
so you can understand everything.
Just relax and listen.
You will learn a lot today.
I promise. Haha.
But first,
One small favor.
please subscribe to our channel.
And like this video.
It really helps us make more videos.
Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, let's go to the restaurant.
We walk into the restaurant.
A waiter comes to us.
The waiter says, table for 2?
That means 2 people.
So we say, yes, please.
Yes, please. Simple and polite.
Always say please.
People like it when you are polite.
Sometimes the restaurant is busy.
Many people, no empty tables.
The waiter says, please wait.
Maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15.
And we say, okay, thank you.
Then we wait near the door.
I always look at my phone.
Me too, haha. One time I waited a long time.
How long?
40 minutes.
Wow, that is long.
But the food was very good.
So it was okay to wait.
Yes, worth the wait.
Worth the wait. Good phrase.
The food was good, so we waited.
Okay, now we have our table.
The waiter brings the menu.
The menu shows all the food.
And the prices.
Always check the prices.
David, haha.
What? Prices are important.
Okay, fair point. Read the menu slowly.
No rush. Take your time.
And if you don't understand something,
Ask the waiter.
just say, "Excuse me,"
What is this dish?
or "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
What food is good here?
The waiter always knows.
It is their job, haha.
Yes, ask them. They will help.
Okay, now we are ready to order.
The waiter comes back.
The waiter says, "Are you ready to order?"
Are you ready to order?
And we say, "Yes, I am ready."
Or can I have...
Can I have the chicken, please?
Can I have the pasta, please?
Simple and clear.
Always say please, remember.
David says please a lot today.
Because it is important.
What if you want to change your order?
Ooh, good question.
Sometimes we change our mind.
Yes, I do that a lot.
You can say, "Actually, can I change my order?"
Actually, can I change my order?
The waiter will say, "Of course."
No problem at all.
Restaurants are used to this.
Don't be afraid to ask.
What about drinks?
Ah, yes, very important.
The waiter will ask, "What would you like to drink?"
What would you like to drink?
You can say, "Water, please."
Or, can I have a Coke, please?
Or, "What juice do you have?"
Simple questions, easy answers.
And if you want more water,
Just say, can I have more water, please?
the waiter will bring it right away.
Always say thank you.
Always, every time. Now, special requests.
Ooh, this is important.
Some people have allergies.
Allergies. That means some food is bad for you.
For example, I'm allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Tell the waiter right away.
Before you order.
The waiter will help you choose safe food.
This is very important.
Don't be shy about this.
Your health comes first.
What if you are vegetarian?
Vegetarian means no meat.
Just say, "I'm vegetarian."
Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
The waiter will show you the options.
Easy, no problem.
Okay, the food is here.
Finally, haha.
Haha, yes, now we eat.
Haha, yes, now we eat. After the meal, time to pay.
Yes, the bill or the check.
Bill and check mean the same thing.
In the UK, they say bill.
In the US, they say check.
Both are correct.
Good to know.
How do we ask for it?
Just say, excuse me,
Can we have the bill, please?
or can we get the check, please?
The waiter will bring it.
Then you pay.
You can pay by card or cash.
Most restaurants take both.
If you want to pay separately,
You can say, can we pay separately?
or can we split the bill?
Split the bill means each person pays their part.
Very useful phrase.
I use this a lot.
Haha, of course you do. One more thing, the tip.
Ah, yes, the tip.
A tip is extra money for the waiter.
It shows you're happy with the service.
In the US, tips are very important.
Usually 15 to 20%.
In other countries, it is different.
Always check the local custom.
You can ask, is the tip included?
Is the tip included?
The waiter will tell you.
Easy question, important to ask.
Okay, let's review today's phrases.
Good idea. Let's go slowly.
Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Can I have the chicken, please?
Can I have the chicken, please?
I'm allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Can we have the bill, please?
Can we have the bill, please?
Is the tip included?
Is the tip included?
These are your key phrases for the restaurant.
Say them slowly. Practice at home.
You can do it.
I know you can.
That is our lesson for today.
We hope it was helpful.
And remember, don't worry about mistakes.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Even me, haha.
Even me.
The most important thing is to try.
Just speak. Just try.
People will understand you.
And they will help you.
English is not so scary.
Not scary at all.
We speak slowly here,
Every word is clear.
so you can follow along easily.
Come back every week.
And your English will get better.
I promise.
Haha, he promises a lot.
Because it is true.
Before we go, a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Tell us in the comments.
We read every comment.
Every single one.
And if this video was helpful,
Please like and subscribe.
it really helps us make more videos.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.